In the last video, we worked on the product of 4 minus 7i and 2 plus 5i. We multiplied those two binomials, and I said I would do the problem again with the box method if that's the method that you prefer. So let's give that a try. So when you learned how to do FOIL with the box method in week 1, you know that we can take those two binomials, write one across the top. I'll put this one here, 4 minus 7i. Make sure you take the minus sign with the 7i. And then the other two terms, 2 and plus 5i along the side. 2 and 5i. Since it's positive, I don't need to put any sign in front of it. And then we make our 4-box grid, and we take the product of each of the numbers on the sides of each box. So 2 times 4 is 8. Let's do the 4 times the 5i. 4 times 5i is 20i. Now let's do the 2 times the minus 7i, and that goes here. Negative 14i. And finally, positive 5i times negative 7i. The negative 7 and 5 will make negative 35. And don't forget, this is I times I, or I squared. Alright, now this term right here, remember, became negative 35 times negative 1. I squared is negative 1. So that became positive 35. These two terms we can add together. And remember what they made? 20 subtract 14. They made 6i. Alright, so then we just have 8 plus 6i plus 35. So the 8 from here, the 6i from combining these two, and the negative 35 times the negative 1, or I squared, here. And then we can add those two terms, and we get 43 plus 6i. I think I like the box method for these. It's pretty slick.